Oh God, I've forgotten how to play after all these years. What's really cool is about the place that I'm at. There's a place with guitars, keyboard, some play. There's my big fat fingers. Somewhere to relax. Play wrong notes. But, anyways, just thought I'd say hi to everybody. Tell you I'm doing good. Since November, I've been through 3 wonderful treatments. Now I'm hanging out in goddamn River Falls again. Yeah. So, yeah, here I am again. Doing some stuff. Not really gonna get into it, so don't ask questions. You'll see what's up later. That's about all I gotta say. I'm gonna sit back, relax, and write the next hit. Maybe. Anyways, peace.